All right, so Surf Coast Woodcraft kind of challenged us in the comments of one of his latest videos to create a Femisphere. I had never heard of this until I watched his video. So, dug through our little bin down there to see what I could find that might actually make a really cool Femisphere. I think this is gonna be our wood layout for this project. Got two pieces of cherry here, black cherry. I think this is an old just chunk of cherry, and this is a little bit of wood I've had laying around the shop for a while. I think we're just going to use it just to get rid of it, kind of add a little bit of contrast in there. So we'll see how this looks. We're going to get it all glued up, and then we're going to have to split it down the middle. So we'll trim it up, split it down the middle so we can glue the two halves together. Yeah, it's going to be cool. All right, let's get this process started here. There we have it, the start of our Femisphere. Let this set up for probably the weekend, and then we'll be back, get it up on the lathe, and start turning it. Done a little off-camera work on this block. This will be the high part after it's turned into a circle, and then it'll swoop down and be the same angle, same width as it is up here on this side, hopefully about the same height away. So it's not going to be as long, it'll be shorter. It's going to be a small Femisphere. Gotta get it turned down first, it's going to take a minute.
Looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no.
I forgot to hit the record button, as you can see it broke. So, start of the Femisphere. And that's what I was trying to do, is get it this way. Alright, so it can be salvaged. We'll just have to glue it and then hand shape it. Maybe we'll use some rasps. That'll be fun. I do have some old rasps that'll be fun to use for this. And it's going to turn out, I think, cool. Interesting pattern-wise.
Tell me how high is your patience? Have no fear. big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. Now, how big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
And there you have it. Our Femisphere is complete. This project took us a very long time, but we got to use some really good tools and techniques we don't usually use when using our lathe. Also, it took so long that we've actually moved the shop around, so be on the lookout for some videos on that coming up here soon. But thank you to Surf Coast Woodcraft for actually getting us to make something out of our comfort zone. Can't wait to try a new project down the road. Thank you all for watching.